Hello. Welcome to my house. I'm really excited today. I'm going to be opening one of my favorite subscription boxes, BoxyCharm. I'm not sure if this is the premium or the base box, so it will be a surprise to both of us. It is, like I said, it's one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's a monthly box. It's like $25 a month. Premium one's a little bit higher, but I love it. It brings me joy. So let's get in. It is the premium box, and right away it's got its little card. Every month they come with a card. It tells you what you've got and it kind of gives you a little bit of a detail about it. I'm really excited for this. BoxyCharm, I'm not a huge makeup-y type person. For many years, my primary makeup was a CoverGirl hard pressed compact, one of those little teeny tiny drugstore like eyeshadow things with 3 neutral colors, and then some mascara, and that was it. I don't have a lot of brand knowledge. I'm really new to this. I play hockey. I am, a very active person. I don't know a whole lot about makeup. And so I'm just starting to get into this, and I want to try new things that I normally wouldn't go out and buy for myself. And I like to use good quality products because I am completely aware of the importance of doing that, take care of our bodies. And so when I saw a BoxyCharm branded palette, my first thoughts were a little upset, and you can kind of see it, I'm wearing it now. I love the palette. The first thing in my box, the Good Acids Pore Toner. It's a nice, very nice glass bottle. I am a huge fan of using high quality stuff. This pH balancing toner helps gently slough off dead skin and prep skin for the rest of your routine. Awesome. AHAs help loosen dead skin cells so they fall away, which helps maintain clean pores. It's got Cape lilac, eggplant, and turmeric extracts to soothe and nourish. Discover an easy way to radiance. I wanted this so bad because I love doing face masks, especially right now since we're in quarantine. And playing with face masks is just kind of like my nice little luxury. I like to feel being pampered at home. So this is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Face Mask. I love honey. I think honey and skin are just awesome. And I'm just gonna rip into this. How freaking bougie is that? It's got a little metal spatula. Look at this. Okay, so there we go. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it. The Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask, an intensely hydrating, still can't talk. An intensely hydrating honey mask for a glowing complexion, infused with powerful antioxidants. This warming mask leaves skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. I'm super excited to try this out. It's what I wanted to. I love BoxyCharm. Okay, so this is the Levito. It is made with 11 innovative organic plant actives. This anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. My goal for this quarantine is I want to come out of quarantine. I want to weigh less. I've had a couple surgeries in the past year, and so I'm really trying to take off that weight. And then I also want to look like 10 years younger. I want my skin to look 10 years younger. So, Opulent Beauty. And so, the end of 2019, I had I think I had maybe 3 makeup brushes. I might have had like maybe 5, but all but one were really cheap, like the ones you get, I don't know, as add-ons with certain like drugstore products or whatnot. And I think I had a couple Bare Essential ones, like the Kabuki brush and the ones that come in those little packs from years and years ago. And now I've got a very healthy brush set. I think I've got probably like 35 or 40 brushes now. I found that I really love makeup brushes. And so this is the Opulent Beauty. I'm just gonna go ahead and unsheath these. They're so pretty. Like, it's just, I don't know, when I saw this, I don't know if I was really a fan of just the appearance, just because this kind of reminds me of toddler makeup brushes. That's nice. Full size, ultra soft, cruelty-free, crystal clear brush collection to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare foundation. I just held these up right there. There we go. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. You guys probably just don't want to watch me sit here and like brush my wrist all day. So I'm gonna put these aside. And they come in this cool little bag thing, satchel. It's the Juice Beauty. It is the Phytopigment Liquid Lip. So let's bust into this and see what it is. My profession is holistic health, personal trainer, health coach, all that stuff. I love organic things. And so a couple years ago, like 4 years ago, I actually have had to use some high quality makeup, like in terms for photo shoots and whatnot. And so I was completely gung-ho. Everything had to be 100% organic. That led to me to using primarily Juice Beauty in terms of like concealer, foundation, powder, whatnot. It oxidized really, really bad. Like, I was just so gung-ho that it had to be organic, and just so attached to that buzzword that this was like the only thing that I knew about that was organic. So it applies like a slick liquid lipstick and wears like a lip stain. Okay, that makes sense. Formulated with the Juice Beauty exclusive blend of intense concentration of plant-derived pigments from Cape Lilac and cochineal, yeah, that word, and cold press oils and fruit stem cell serum. Say that 3 times fast. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna try this on. I'm not one for dark colors. Usually I like to be very, I don't know, I just like to be all natural. So let's see here. And excuse me if I'm not putting this on right. Ooh, that's bold. I don't know, maybe I'll use it. It'll be fun to play around with. Good job, Juice Beauty. All right. And so for the last item in my BoxyCharm Premium, April 2020, I do not need another mascara. But I am insanely excited about this. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. As you can see, it's got, the brush is pretty basic. Here, let's see if I can get you a better view there. Okay, the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. One swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty, fanned-out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. It's smudge-proof, flake-proof, and water-resistant for an all-day wear. I might do a little video of trying to use it. I'm extremely awkward, bear with me, but this is just such a fun discovery process, and I don't want to keep it to myself. So thank you for joining me. To sum things up, awesome honey mask, super stoked. This is got to be the holy grail of toner. Excited, very intrigued. I'm very intrigued to try this. The Age Away. Excited to be using this. The Juice Beauty Lip Stain Balm Pigment, what have you. The Wander Mile High Mascara. And then the brushes, the opulent brushes. Okay, so the premium is $35. For $35, I'm getting a $5. I just got $236 worth of products. So it's a festival up in here. No, I'm really excited because I didn't spend barely anything, and I just added to my collection a whole lot, and I get to play with these things and really see what works for my skin, what doesn't. And it's a good way to really get immersed in it and find things that work for you. I think this is actually going to be in the base box. So fingers crossed. I've never actually used the makeup eraser. And yeah, if you want to try BoxyCharm, check the link below. It'll just take you, and you won't regret it. BoxyCharm is just really cool. But if you enjoyed this kind of awkward, I don't know, if you enjoyed this unboxing and you want more kind of off-the-wall, non-traditional videos, hit that subscribe button. Or if you just want to see what's in my base box, because that's going to be coming next, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified whenever new videos are available. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for stopping by.